Hi guys, my name is Ria Alvina. You can call me Vina. This time I will promote products that are good for health, namely triple leg solution, which provide a reliable solution by presenting a solution in hot beverage containing natural mineral that can prevent and treat heartburn. Cap kaki 3 solution with a thrush hereditary recipe and has been consumed by many families in Indonesia. But this product is difficult to open the packaging if not careful can hurt. A faithful triple to cap solution profit benefit.